Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you the best way to activate a gift card fast, step by step. Step 1. Locate your gift card code. For physical cards, scratch off the protective layer on the back to reveal the card number and PIN. For digital cards, check your email or message for the code. Step 2. Go directly to the official website or app of the gift card issuer. Using the official channels ensures your activation is processed quickly and securely. Step 3. Sign into your account if required. Some gift cards need to be linked to an account. If you don't have one, create a new account using a secure password and verified email. Step 4. Enter the card details carefully. Input the card number, PIN, or code exactly as shown. Double-check for typos, as errors can delay activation. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions. Some issuers may require additional verification, such as your name, billing zip code, or phone number to complete the activation. Step 6. Confirm your card balance. Once the system accepts your code, check your balance immediately to ensure the funds are available. This helps you start using your card right away. Step 7. Keep your card and confirmation details safe. Having your card information stored securely ensures you can use it quickly for online or in-store purchases. That's it. Following these steps allows you to activate your gift card fast and efficiently. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more simple and helpful step-by-step guides.